guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Miggy, and I'm back here. And look at the kitten. Where's she? There it is. Look. Oh, it's trying to climb and play. See? It's playing now. And even its brother is coming. Wait. They're there playing, and they might pour that one down, so I'll show you them. This is pepper. This is this is sugar, and this is salt. I don't know why, but let me. Come back. Come here. This is salt, and this is my uncle. Say hi. This is pepper. Let me bring all the kittens, Ken. Oh, can you talk to the viewers about the kittens? I'll bring all of them.
Hi, this is sugar. This is sugar.
This is salt.
This is salt.
This is pepper.
The fat one. And this is pepper. They're very cute.
Yeah. And they like to play with the rug. This rug especially. See? Play. They like to play around, and especially salt. And this is pepper. He likes to walk around. He likes to go to places all the time. That's why he's here. Say hi, Ming.
Hi.
Now he has to go. So, goodbye.
Bye, Pepper.
See you later.